Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to add, remove, or change a Google account on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you're going to tap on the settings icon and scroll down to this option. Here, you'll scroll down, let me see. Okay, it's not here. Let's go back, I made a mistake. Let's go back, it should be here under the Accounts and Backup option. Click on this option, then click on the Google account you want to remove. Select Remove Account, and then Remove Account again. After removing this account, go back, tap on Add Account, choose the Google option, and now you'll need to enter your phone's password. If you don't have a password, it won't ask for anything, and now you'll need to enter the details of the new Google account. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.